Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Welcome to the journey of quest, where we quench your thirst of knowledge. Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the vast expanse of our blue oceans? The ocean floor, a realm shrouded in mystery and intrigue, is a world that exists far below the surface where light fades into darkness. Here, the flat, featureless, abyssal plains stretch out for miles, making up the majority of the ocean floor. But it's not all flat down there. Rising from these plains are the mid-ocean ridges, mountain ranges that snake their way across the globe, a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. Yet the most fascinating features might be the trenches, these deep, narrow valleys that plunge into the depths, reaching points so deep that they could swallow Mount Everest whole. Each of these features adds a piece to the puzzle, helping us understand the complex and ever-changing nature of our planet. As we venture into the depths of the ocean, we uncover the secrets of the ocean floor, revealing a world far removed from our own. Imagine standing at the edge of the continent, gazing out into the ocean. But what if I told you that the continent extends further than what you can see? Welcome to the continental shelf, the submerged part of a continent. It's like a grand underwater plain stretching out from the shoreline into the depths of the ocean. The boundary isn't where land meets sea, but where the shallow waters of the continental shelf plunge into the deep ocean. So essentially, when you're standing on the beach, you're standing on the tip of an underwater mountain. The continental shelf is a fascinating feature of our planet. It's not just an underwater extension of the continent, but a bustling hub of marine life. It's where sunlight penetrates the shallow waters, fostering the growth of phytoplankton, the base of the marine food chain. These microscopic plants are the buffet for a variety of sea creatures, from tiny krill to enormous whales. The shelf is a veritable smorgasbord for marine life, teeming with biodiversity. But the continental shelf isn't just a haven for sea creatures. It plays a crucial role in influencing ocean currents, those mighty rivers flowing in the sea. How? Well, the slope of the shelf, its width, and the depth of the water above it all contribute to how water moves around our oceans. The shelf can act like a barrier, redirecting currents, or a funnel, concentrating them. These currents don't just move water, but heat, nutrients, and even creatures around the globe. The continental shelf is also a treasure trove of resources. It's where we find vast reserves of oil and natural gas trapped in the sedimentary rocks that make up the shelf. It's also home to rich fishing grounds, feeding millions of people worldwide. So, next time you're standing on the beach, remember you're standing at the edge of an extraordinary underwater world, a world that is an integral part of our planet. The continental shelf, a hidden extension of our continents, plays a pivotal role in shaping the world beneath the waves. Dive with me into the depths of the ocean, where we will explore the fascinating features of the ocean floor. Let's start with the abyssal plains. These are the vast, flat expanses that make up the majority of the ocean floor. They are the underwater equivalents of deserts, the flattest and smoothest regions on Earth, shaped by settling sediment from above. They are proof of the constant recycling of Earth, as they are covered with a blanket of fine sediment made up of the remains of dead marine creatures that have sunk from the ocean's surface. Next, we have the mid-ocean ridges. These are massive underwater mountain ranges, the longest on our planet. They are formed by the movement of tectonic plates, and they are where new ocean floor is created. Picture it like a zipper, continuously unzipping as magma pushes up from the mantle, cools, and forms new crust. This process, known as seafloor spreading, is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. Then we have the trenches, the deepest parts of our oceans. These are formed when one tectonic plate dives or subducts beneath another, creating a deep, narrow trench. These trenches are home to some of the most extreme environments on Earth, with immense pressure, low temperatures, and complete darkness. Each of these features plays a crucial role in shaping the ocean floor and contributing to the overall topography of our planet. They are formed through complex geological processes that have taken millions of years and continue to shape and reshape the Earth. They also influence ocean currents, climate, and even the distribution of life in the ocean. The ocean floor, with its varied landscapes, is as diverse and complex as the land we walk upon. So the next time you gaze out at the vast expanse of the ocean, remember there's a whole other world beneath the waves waiting to be explored. Now, you may be wondering, how does the ocean floor connect with the continental shelf? Well, to answer that, we need to remember that both the ocean floor and the continental shelf are integral parts of the Earth's crust. Think of the Earth's crust as a jigsaw puzzle, and these two pieces, the ocean floor and the continental shelf, fit together to create a complete picture. The continental shelf is the extended perimeter of each continent and associated coastal plain. Much of it was exposed during glacial periods but is now submerged under relatively shallow seas and gulfs, and was similarly submerged during other interglacial periods. This continental shelf gradually slopes down from the edge of the continent and transitions into the ocean floor. This sloping process is not abrupt but rather a gentle gradient that extends outwards for many miles. It's like a grand undersea plain that eventually dips down into the deep ocean. As we move away from the coast, the depth of the ocean increases and the continental shelf gives way to the continental slope. The continental slope is steeper than the shelf and leads directly to the extensive flat regions of the deep ocean floor. The ocean floor, also known as the abyssal plain, is the lowest layer of the oceanic division of the Earth's crust. The ocean floor is not just a barren, sandy desert. It's a complex, dynamic landscape teeming with life, geological features, and valuable resources. From underwater mountains and deep-sea trenches to vast plains of sediment and fields of hydrothermal vents, the ocean floor is as diverse and fascinating as any landscape on land. So the ocean floor and the continental shelf are not isolated entities. They are interconnected parts of the Earth's crust, each with its unique characteristics and role in our planet's geology and ecology. From the edge of our continents to the deepest trenches, the continental shelf and the ocean floor form a continuous, interconnected landscape. That's the beauty of our planet. Every piece, no matter how distant or different it may seem, is interconnected in some way. Understanding the ocean floor and the continental shelf might seem like a fascinating academic pursuit, but why should we care? You see, the ocean floor and continental shelf are not just intriguing geological features. They hold solutions to some of our planet's most pressing concerns and the keys to unlocking incredible scientific advancements. Take marine biology, for instance. The continental shelf is a hotspot for marine life. It's where sunlight penetrates the water, enabling photosynthesis and supporting a diverse ecosystem. By studying this area, we can understand more about the species that inhabit our oceans and how to protect them. From a geological perspective, the ocean floor is a gold mine. It contains vast deposits of natural resources like oil, gas, and rare minerals. Understanding how these deposits form and where they are located can aid in sustainable extraction methods and potentially reduce the environmental impact of resource mining. When it comes to climate science, the ocean floor plays a pivotal role. It's a massive carbon sink, absorbing and storing CO2 from the atmosphere. As we grapple with the effects of climate change, understanding the ocean floor's role in the carbon cycle is crucial. Additionally, studying the continental shelf can provide insights into sea level changes and patterns of past climate shifts, helping us forecast future climate scenarios. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. The knowledge we gain from studying the ocean floor and the continental shelf can contribute to advancements in technology, improve our understanding of natural disasters like tsunamis, and even help us understand more about Earth's history and evolution. So it's not just about curiosity or academic interest. It's about unlocking the mysteries of our planet in ways that can benefit us all. So the next time you look out into the ocean, remember that there is a whole world waiting to be explored beneath the waves. A world that holds the key to understanding our planet's past, present, and future. Subscribe to Quest, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.